The next boat is Florence by Norton. She's a traditional diesel powered boat with very traditional paintwork.
I'll wait for him. Yeah, he'd be jealous if I got ahead of him. Besides, he has
The bow area has a cratch cover to provide protection from the elements and make the area very pleasant to sit out in. So we're going in through the bow and into the bedroom.
Into the bedroom. The
So-
bedroom will slide out to put an extra piece on the side.
Okay.
Plenty of room to stand up in. Pump out toilets.
Pump out toilet with tank gauge next to the toilet.
Tank gauge next to it, which is always useful.
Yes.
Once again, you can see the quality of the woodwork in here, just by looking at the joinery details on the door and things like that.
Yes, nicely done.
And the inside is the same quality as the outside. Unlike certain boat builders, it's not just veneer on the face, it is solid the whole way through. And plenty of storage, because you need storage in bathroom areas, bedroom areas. It's an important thing to have, especially if you're long-term cruising or living aboard.
Just look how bright the interior of this boat feels with all the white panelling down the side. It's nice to see a boat looking so bright inside.
The Pullman dinette raised, so you've got a view out of both the side windows.
Doing the seat test.
Please notice there are side doors, not duck hatches. Getting dirty, and I do get a bit of soot on me.
Yeah. No, this is nice.
Would I change it? Not.
Yes.
But that's a very important
It's a detail a lot of people would overlook.
Yeah.
Right. I mean, someone would come in and say, well, this doesn't really fit me, but it's not supposed to fit me.
But this is why at point one, what we do is we build the plinth, and then we mock up a base unit, and then we get you to sit on it, and then we can tweak the base heights to what's necessary. If the plinth needs to come up a bit to keep the seat.
Because this is a traditional layout boat with the cabin coming all the way to the back deck, the engine compartment is just below the entrance here. You can see all 18 boats in our Narrowboat Buying Guide parts 1 and 2 on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.